Your home doesn't have to be dirty just because you're busy. In fact, the people with the cleanest homes, they're not spending hours scrubbing and cleaning. They're actually smarter about it. They know the secrets that keep their homes spotless with almost no effort at all. And today, on Seniors Cleaning Hacks with Marcus, you're going to learn exactly what those secrets are. If you're tired of feeling overwhelmed by household chores, stick with me. I'm about to share 20 game-changing habits that will transform how you think about cleaning forever. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the cleaning tips that are about to change your life. Part 1. Starting with the bedroom. Let me start by clearing something up. You're not lazy, you're smart. You understand that keeping your home clean doesn't mean spending your entire day with a mop and bucket. It means working smarter, not harder. It means knowing the right tricks that make cleaning easier and faster. Lazy cleaning habit number 1, the laundry hamper system. The first habit we're talking about is all about your laundry. Every single bedroom in your home should have its own laundry basket or hamper. This is not complicated, this is not expensive, this is just smart. When every person in your household has a designated place to put their dirty clothes, everything changes. Nobody's throwing clothes on the floor, nobody's leaving piles of fabric on the bed. The clothes go in the hamper, and the room stays clean and organized. When laundry day comes around, you just walk through each room and collect the baskets. Simple, easy, no stress. Lazy cleaning habit number 2, designate specific laundry days. Here's another thing that works wonders. Pick specific days to do laundry and stick to them. Don't do laundry randomly. Don't do it every single day. Instead, choose 2 days per week. Let's say Monday and Thursday, or Wednesday and Saturday. Whatever works for your schedule. Tell everyone in your household which days those are. This one change alone is powerful. Your family knows exactly when their clothes will be clean. You're not thinking about laundry every single day. You're not wondering if you missed something. The laundry stays on track, and you stay sane. It's that simple.
Part 2. Bathroom cleaning made simple. Lazy cleaning habit number 3. Clean the bathroom while cleaning towels. Here's a trick that seems almost too easy. Whenever you're washing towels, grab one of the clean towels you're about to wash and use it to tidy up your bathroom first. Take that towel and wipe down the mirror. Wipe the sink. Clean the vanity. Even wipe the baseboards. Your hands are already moving. You're already in the bathroom. Why not get double duty from that towel? Then throw it in the wash with everything else, and it comes out perfectly clean. This doesn't take extra time. It doesn't require extra supplies. It just requires using what you already have. Lazy cleaning habit number 4. Wash your sink while you wash your hands. This is almost embarrassingly simple, but it works. Every time you wash your hands, use that soapy hand to quickly wash out your sink. Your hands are already wet. The sink is probably getting some use throughout the day. Your hands are covered in soap. Just quickly scrub the sink and then wash your hands again. That's it. This keeps your bathroom sink looking fresh and clean all day long without any extra effort or products. Lazy cleaning habit number 5. Shower while you clean the shower. Picture this. You're in the shower waiting for your conditioner to process, or you're just standing there letting the water rinse. What if you used that time to clean your shower? Grab a sponge, grab some shower cleaner, wipe down the walls, scrub the tub, even use a magic eraser to get tough spots. The water is already running, you're already in there. The cleaning feels less like a chore when you're doing it as part of your regular routine, instead of setting aside a big chunk of time. Many people have been doing this for years and finding it keeps their showers in amazing condition. Lazy cleaning habit number 6. Switch to liquid soap. Here's something simple that makes a huge difference. Use body wash or liquid soap instead of bar soap. Bar soap is wonderful in many ways, but it creates soap scum. Liquid soap doesn't. If you switch to liquid soap, you'll notice that your shower stays cleaner for longer. You'll have less buildup. You'll spend less time scrubbing. This is not a big change, but the results are noticeable. Lazy cleaning habit number 7. Freshen your toilet brush holder. Your toilet brush holder can collect odors and bacteria. Keep it fresh by adding a small amount of toilet bowl cleaner to the bottom of the holder. Another option is to add just a few drops of essential oil. It keeps the holder clean, it keeps it smelling nice, and you're barely doing anything. Just a couple of drops, and you've eliminated an odor problem that many people don't even think about. Part 3. Kitchen efficiency. Lazy cleaning habit number 8. Wipe the microwave right after use. When you heat something in the microwave and then take your food out, the microwave is hot and steamy. That's the perfect moment. Just grab a small cloth and wipe out the inside. Everything is warm and loose, so it comes off easily. Do this every time, and your microwave stays spotless. You're not setting aside cleaning time. You're just adding 30 seconds to your normal routine. Lazy cleaning habit number 9. Use a splatter protector. Better yet, get yourself a splatter protector, a clear cover that goes on top of your food. You put your food under it, heat it up, and there's no mess to clean. Your microwave stays clean, and you avoid the problem entirely. This is working smarter, not harder. Lazy cleaning habit number 10. Keep your dishwasher clean the easy way. Your dishwasher gets dirty on the inside, and when it does, it doesn't clean your dishes as well. The fix is ridiculously easy. Put a cup of vinegar on the top rack of your dishwasher and run a normal cycle with your dishes in it. That's it. Your dishwasher comes out sparkling. You can also use citric acid cleaners if you prefer, but the vinegar works great and costs almost nothing.
Lazy cleaning habit number 11. Use your dishwasher for more than dishes. People don't realize how many things can go in the dishwasher. Oven filters get clean in there. Lighting fixtures that have collected dust wash up perfectly. Pots and pans that seem impossible to clean come out spotless. Wine glasses, silicone baking mitts, baking trays, all of these work in the dishwasher. Even your refrigerator shelves can go in if they fit. Stop spending time washing these things by hand. Use your dishwasher and save yourself hours. Lazy cleaning habit number 12. Soak oven racks for easy cleaning. Oven racks are tough to clean, but there's an easy solution. Take your oven rack and place it in your bathtub. Fill the tub with hot water and add some dish soap. Let it soak overnight. All that baked-on grease and dirt will come right off without scrubbing. It's almost like magic how well this works. The hot water and soap do the hard work while you sleep. Lazy cleaning habit number 13. Clean your washing machine regularly. Just like your dishwasher, your washing machine needs attention. If you leave damp clothes in there too long, you get mildew and mold smells. The fix is simple. Run a regular load with 1 cup of vinegar. This does double duty. It cleans your washing machine and acts as a fabric softener. Your clothes come out fresh, soft, and clean. Lazy cleaning habit number 14. Control garbage can odors naturally. Before you put your garbage bag in the can, crumple up a few pieces of newspaper and place them at the bottom. Newspaper absorbs odors from your trash and also soaks up any liquids that might escape. Those liquids are what cause many of those bad smells. Replace the newspaper as needed. It's a simple solution that works without chemicals. Part 4. Throughout the home. Lazy cleaning habit number 15. Get a cordless handheld vacuum. If you have the space, get yourself a cordless handheld vacuum. This single purchase will change how often you vacuum. Instead of dragging out a big vacuum cleaner, you just grab the small one and handle the problem immediately. When you see something on the floor, you don't think, "I'll get to that later." You just grab the vacuum and do it right then. This keeps your home cleaner throughout the day without requiring big cleaning sessions. Lazy cleaning habit number 16. Enforce a no shoes indoors rule. Here's a fact.
90% of the dirt in your home comes from outside, so why not stop it before it comes inside? Make a rule that nobody wears shoes past your entryway. Ask guests to remove their shoes at the door. Provide a place for them to put their shoes. This one habit cuts down on the dirt and mess everywhere else in your home. You're not cleaning as much because you're preventing the dirt from spreading in the first place. Lazy cleaning habit number 17. Multitask while on the phone. Whenever you're on a phone call, whether it's a work call, a conversation with family, or a video chat, clean while you talk. Pop in some headphones and start wiping down surfaces, organizing items, or tidying up. You'll be amazed at how much cleaning gets done. The time flies by because you're focused on the conversation, and suddenly your home is cleaner. Lazy cleaning habit number 18. Use cleaning as exercise. Did you know that vacuuming burns 200 calories per hour? That's as good as many gym workouts. So here's the idea. Instead of setting aside time to exercise and time to clean, combine them. On days when you're short on time, do an intense cleaning session. Vacuum, wipe surfaces, organize things quickly. You're getting physical activity and getting your home clean at the same time. 2 problems solved with 1 action. Lazy cleaning habit number 19. Eliminate kitchen downtime. Think about how much time you spend in your kitchen. You're waiting for water to boil, you're waiting for food to heat, you're between cooking steps. Don't waste that time standing around. Use those moments to wipe down the counter, load the dishwasher, organize items, or tidy up. If your kitchen is already clean, do some leg lifts or stretch while you wait. Make every moment count. Lazy cleaning habit number 20. Keep supplies where you use them. This might sound obvious, but many people don't do it. Keep your cleaning supplies in the rooms where you use them. Have bathroom cleaning supplies in each bathroom. Keep kitchen cleaning supplies in the kitchen. Don't store everything in one closet somewhere else in the house. When you need to clean something quickly, you want supplies right there within arm's reach. This removes the barrier between you and getting things done.
Bonus, the 3-2-1 method. There's one more trick that works surprisingly well for getting yourself motivated. It's called the 3-2-1 method. When you have a task that feels hard to start, simply tell yourself you're going to count backwards from 3. When you reach 1, you do the task. Say it out loud, 3, 2, 1, and then get up and do it. Something about counting backwards mentally forces you into action. It's like a mental trick that gets you off the couch and moving before you can talk yourself out of it. These aren't lazy habits in the sense of being lazy about cleanliness. These are smart habits. These are the tricks that people with the cleanest homes use. They're not spending all day cleaning. They're cleaning smarter. They're using their time efficiently. They're using systems and tricks to make cleaning faster and easier. The difference between people whose homes are always clean and people who struggle with cleaning isn't effort, it's strategy. It's knowing what works and doing it consistently. If this video has been helpful to you, please share it with someone who needs these tips. Send this to a friend or family member who's struggling to keep up with their home. Share this on social media. Leave a comment below and tell us which habit you're most excited to try. Don't forget to subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more tips, tricks, and strategies that make life easier. New videos come out regularly, and each one is packed with practical advice that will change how you think about your home. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're not lazy, you're smart. You're just learning how to work smarter, not harder.